How to see all blocked contacts on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to view and manage blocked numbers. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to simply launch the contacts or the phone application, and then you simply need to proceed by tapping three dots at top right corner of the screen and select settings. And here you see variety of options. Simply you need to go to the general section, scroll down and select block numbers. So these are all the block numbers that you have added on your Android phone. So you can easily view and manage the block numbers. If you wish to delete it, you can tap the cross mark next to it and then you can tap on unblock and delete from this block list. If you do not want to unblock them, you can leave as it is. So that is how you can see the all block contacts on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.